Hey folks, Corey with EXP Realty here, PNW Homes Group. I just want to jump on here real quick and kind of explain some stuff about EXP because I think there's a lot of misinformation or folks a little bit unsure about EXP and using that term of pyramid scheme. And I think that just comes from a place that's, again, lack of information. I don't in general try to recruit people. I get the feeling that it feels odd or you just don't like it when people are trying to call you and recruit you for something. That doesn't mean that I haven't spoke to people about coming to EXP, but that's typically generated by their interest. So for example, in 2021, EXP made 300 million as a company, and 150 of that million went back into the agents. So basically all the agents that work have their upline, 2 to 4% of that is essentially like in the form of a referral fee off the top line of the profits made from EXP. And that 2 to 4% is paid out until those agents cap within that year. So every company has referral fees. We all do that. So that's nothing new. And if you consider that 300 million that EXP made and then paying out 150 million to to the agents within that brokerage, and then you think about the other companies in 2021, like places like Zillow, Keller Williams, Redfin, and numerous other places, they didn't make a profit. And after all the fees and everything that were paid out of that 300 million and the 150 million to agents, they still had 81 million in profit. And typically those other companies don't pay their agents in cash like EXP does. So for me, it just was a smart move, just because I knew that I could make more money at this agency than another agency. And again, each agency is going to offer something that's a little different and maybe more important to you as an agent. And so that's where you got to stand and evaluate what works best for you. But again, I don't actively try and recruit agents, but if agents ask, I try to give them as much information as I can. And this information I got was from Ricky Caruth, and shout out to him because he's got a lot of great information. I'll attach the link to it. Have a good day.